More issues with school transportation this week after a group of parents are claiming that their kids have been left alone following confusion about some new transfer locations.
News 8's Megan Bunchman has more from parents on these transportation hiccups.
It's been 3 weeks since many West Michigan schools have started back. Tonight, we're hearing from some parents in the GRPS district who are saying that their kids have experienced some hiccups when it comes to logistics.
Unfortunately, Dean looks at our kids as a paycheck.
Concerns from GRPS parents tonight over Dean transportation. As start of the school year, logistical hiccups linger a bit too long for Aaron Fairfield's comfort.
Our son has been picked up 25 to 45 minutes late every day since school started.
Fairfield's youngest rides a special education bus to and from his school at C.A. Frost. But Fairfield says due to scheduling issues, the driver is expected to drop off another student 20 minutes down the road at the same time of her son's pickup. Her son is often left waiting in the front office of his school.
The principal yesterday was reading to my son and giving him Lucky Charms, waiting for a bus. I just want daily, safe, reliable transportation for my child.
For Wesley and Kat Slover, they say their middle school-aged daughter was left at a bus transfer point not once, but twice in a week due to routing issues.
They were like, oh, this is horrible. I can't believe this is happening. This is not acceptable. We'll make sure to contact this bus driver, and etc. But then the same thing happened again the next day.
Kevin Harkness, the county's regional manager for Dean Transportation, admits there have been some mistakes, but says they are working diligently to iron out the logistics of some 5,000 GRPS students who use the buses daily.
We, in the last 3 weeks here for GRPS, have had almost 2,500 changes. So that affects everybody, and it takes time to get those in. So you are going to have late buses the first couple of weeks of school. You're going to have some children that have logistical things come up.
Harkness added that new tools like the district's transportation feedback portal located on GRPS's website has helped identify and correct issues quicker.
Within 24 to 48 hours, we'll reply back and we'll have solutions for these families.
That forum came as a direct result of the district's Parent Transportation Advisory Council, which meets every month or so to discuss and explore transportation solutions.
Getting those sorts of ideas from our parents directly. What do we need to resolve? What needs to be improved, and how can we do it? And then working to partner with Dean to make those a reality.
Dean Transportation's quarterly meeting to the school board is set for next Monday night. It is open to the public. In the newsroom, I'm Megan Bunchman, News 8.